we have this equation balanced, and we are finally going to solve the problem. We've got, if we go back to the problem, we're going to calculate the mass of calcium hydroxide. That's what we're trying to find. And they're telling us that we have 10 grams, 10.03 sig figs grams of this acid. So you can see here's one where we're going to ignore the products, and we're just going to go from this reactant to that reactant. I'm going to take my 10.0 grams of this and put it on top. And I have one on the bottom. And we need to get the mass to cancel out. So I'm going to put this on the bottom of the next one. And this is the molar mass step. I'm going to put 1 mole of that H3PO4 up here. There's a little bit more work to get all of your labels in there, but you're not going to get your points if you don't have your labels. Now you're going to have to go to your periodic table and go ahead and add up 3 hydrogens, 1 phosphorus, and 4 oxygens. All right, so you go here, add up these to find your molar mass. I got 98. Now I'm to moles of the given. That means that now I'm on the mole ratio step. You're always putting moles of what they give you on the bottom. So I want moles of this on the bottom. And remember, you find the number by going back to your hopefully balanced chemical equation. So I found when we balanced it, I got a 2 here. So I'm putting that on the bottom, and my 2 is going to be moles. And then up on top, I want what they're asking for, which was they're asking us to find, which is this. So I'm going to copy and paste this one up on top. I'm going to stick my label in there, moles. And now if they're asking us for moles, I would be done. But of course, they're not. So I have one more step where I have to get this to grams. All right, so I'm going to copy and paste that down there. Always take your label and put it on the bottom of your next fraction. Now notice this is 1. This is not 3. You only use that 3 on the mole ratio step. You only use the numbers up here. Here, I'm just going to add up the mass of this 1 time. I don't want to do it 3 times. I just want to do it 1 time. You're finding the mass of 1 mole. So then go to your periodic table, add up calcium and 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. And let's see, I got 74. Put my multiplication sign in there. And then you're going to plug it into your calculator. So you'll do 10 divided by 98. Here you have a number on top and on bottom. So 10 divided by 98 times 3 divided by 2 times 74. Then you still have to think sig figs, scientific notation. I got 1.13. A lot of these are 3 sig figs. They gave us 3 sig figs to start with, so I'm keeping 3 sig figs times 10 to the first grams, CaOH, 2. All right, go ahead and in your Google form, go ahead and try those practice problems and see if you get the right answer.